All right, now we're going to work with arranging shapes and creating shapes on top of one another so that we can create more complicated images. So I've copied and pasted the work that I've done so far from slide 6 to slide 7, and we're going to do a couple things. We're going to add a window, we're going to add a chimney, and we're going to add some grass. So I'd like you to create your window using 5 squares. So to add your squares, you can add one, and then you can copy it and paste it. And then what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to make a window that has, let's see, paste. Four panes on it. So if I were to imagine a window that has like this 4 bars in it, see how it looks like a window like that? So I'm going to do one big square and then put 4 of these littler ones on top of it. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to add 5 squares and then I'm going to stack them on top of each other. Okay, so let me delete these. And I'm going to change this one to be, let's make this be white. Actually, I'll keep it blue for now because I won't be able to see it if I make it white right now. And I'm going to add another square, but I'm going to make this one be teeny tiny. And I'm going to format, that one. And make that one be white so that I can see it on top. So if I copy that and then paste it, I should be able to get 4 that look exactly the same. So the trick here is that it's going to be harder to move things around, so you can pinch and zoom. That will help you. The other thing you can do is put your keyboard on, and then you can use the arrows to tap and it'll move incrementally. So let me paste that again. And then I can resize this so that it's more even. If I change this back one to make it black, it'll look like it's a black outline. So there's several ways you can do this. You could draw lines, but I want you to practice laying shapes down, right? If you find that one of them gets stuck behind, then what we'll do is we'll use the arrange menu to stack them and put them in order, right? So to move this, I'm going to group them. So I'm going to tap and turn on the shape. Then I'm going to put my finger on it to hold it, and then I'm going to tap all the other shapes that I've created, and now I can group them. So now I can resize it and move it around as one object. But here's the deal, I can't see that blue. So I'm going to ungroup it, and I'm going to change this to be black. And now I'll group it again, and I'll move it over here. This takes a little getting used to. It's kind of fidgety, so play with it, right? We're going to add our chimney. Now I want that to be the same color as my roof. If I wanted to make it a different color, I could, you know what, let's try this. What if I go and find a brick wall? Let's say I like, I don't know. Ooh, I like that one. So if I tap and hold on it, actually let's just take a screenshot and edit this. So I'll save this to my photos here. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, save to photos. And then I can go in and format that shape to fill it with an image. Choose my photo. And oops, I don't like the way that filled it. But I think I want that shape to be behind because it looks like it's just a rectangle on top of my triangle. So select your shape and then click on the format, and then this time go to arrange. And so what I can do is I can put it to the back. So now it's behind and it looks like it's on the back part of the roof. All right, so you're gonna add a doorknob, so a little circle for a doorknob, and maybe some grass. Remember, you can resize things and change them so that they're different colors. And if you want, you can add some plants, but finish doing this so that I know that you know how to arrange things so that we can be good to make your buttons. All right?